Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Nelson. So we are going to find the perimeter of a perfect square. Now, you know that most of the time you aren't going to be given all the sides, so you need to go in here and you need to fill in all of the sides. And you know that all squares have the exact same measurements all the way around. So its length, their width, all of it are the same. So you just need to go back in and say, okay, I'm going to go in and fill in all the sides. So for the perimeter here, this is what we're solving for. We need to add up all the sides. Okay, so to do that, we're going to look at them and say, well, I need to add this, plus this, plus this, plus this. So, we're going to write our equation. So we're going to have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So I have here 1, I have here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. I have all 4 equations. Okay, so I have all 4 addends, as the case may be, because addends are the numbers you add together. All right, so now to do that, you already know that these 2 plus these 2 equal 12. So then you automatically know that. So you should anyway. So you know that 12 plus 12, because this is 12 and this is 12. So then 12 plus 12, we're going to stack them up, and add them. We're going to add them from top to bottom, and then we're going to go from right to left. Okay, so you first add this guy and get the answer, and then you move over and add this guy. That's the order that you add them in. Okay, so we know that 2 plus 2 is 4. Then we move over and then we add the 1 plus 1, which is 2. So our perimeter in this case is going to be 24, and this is 24. So that's how you solve for perimeter on a perfect square. This is a perfect square. Now I am going to show you quickly that also, if you are intelligently intuitive, that this could also be, hey, some of you are like, well, this is 6 4 times. 6 times 4 also equals 24. Same thing. Same thing. You could do it either way. If you notice that, hey, all I have to do is multiply all the sides together, that's a group. I have 6, and I have 4 groups of 6. 4 groups of 6 equals 24. Repeated addition is also multiplication. So perfect squares can be multiplied, their number times 4, which will give you that because it's 4 groups. Okay, questions, concerns? I'll see you soon.